This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Many consider the Contax T2 to be the best point-and-shoot camera ever made. With film photography making a comeback over the last few years and some celebrity influence.
You brought your camera?
Yes, I did.
This is the one you use now?
My little Contax. I love this camera.
The Contax T2 is pricey. Going for around $1,000, many aren't willing to throw down the cash for a point-and-shoot camera. Luckily, our friend did, and we're borrowing it for today's shoot. We've got it loaded with Portra 400 film. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, ready? The first shot accidentally triggered our Broncolor strobe that we had in the room. Whoops. Again, with the on-camera flash this time.
Okay, that was hopefully something.
That was something. We'll find out in a week. Here's one without flash. We could move the disco ball like to this area even.
I don't want to be cheesy, but it would be cool to get the light reflecting off of it. It's heavy.
Then again, we tripped the strobe with the on-camera flash. Happy accident, it looks really good. Sick. Cool. Great shoot. What do we do with the photos? Maybe put them on our own Squarespace website? There's no better place to show off your work and attract new clients. Using the new design intelligence feature on Squarespace makes the process of starting from scratch super fast and simple. You don't know where to start filling out the content of your site? Well, calm down, guy. Design intelligence gives you a huge head start. You can then try out different color themes and fonts and instantly see how your site will look. Or you can get started with a wide variety of professionally designed website templates and then make it your own. And when you're ready to book clients, you can easily create professional proposals, estimates, and contracts to make it all official. You can then invoice your clients and accept payments from ACH, Direct Debit, Klarna, Apple Pay, and more. Head to squarespace.com/mangostreet for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, use the code MangoStreet at checkout to save 10% on your first purchase of a website or domain. So what do we think? Is it worth the hype? It's a great camera. It's got a titanium body compared to the plastic often found on point and shoots. It's got a Zeiss 38mm lens that is not only sharp, but just creates some really nice looking images. It did miss focus on one of our 15 shots. I will say our Olympus point and shoot seems to miss focus a bit more often. All in all, it's our favorite point and shoot camera we've used. Would we buy it for $1,000? Probably not. So it's worth the hype, but not worth the price, if that makes sense. That's all for this one. See you in the next.